If you're thinking of starting an online business, here are some tips and tricks that will stand you in good stead and help you to avoid the common mistakes that people make when setting up an online business. This will be the simplest 3 minutes of the day, but also the most instructive. At the end of this video, you will find out what tools you will need to grow your business faster. Let's go. You don't choose a business that you are passionate about. Do something you're good at and look to the things you do well, and build a business based around your skills. Start a business that solves a pain point. Virtually every business model is designed to solve a customer pain point. In a nutshell, we can sum up customer pain points as their problems as it relates to the niche where you operate. It's your job to figure out what issues people are facing and offer them a solution that provides value to their lives. Make a business plan. A business plan is a comprehensive roadmap for your small business growth and development. It communicates who you are, what you plan to do, and how you plan to do it. Create an executive summary and your company description. Conduct competitive analysis. Develop a marketing and sales strategy. Describe your organization and management. Taking a lot of time to start a business. When it comes to business, time is crucial. It's natural to examine the market, the competition, the procedure, and the factors of starting an internet business when you learn that there is a fantastic online business opportunity. While research and evaluation are important, spending too much time on them may cause you to miss your launch window. It's vital to remember that the longer you wait to launch your business, the longer you'll have to wait for it to make money. Even if it's done out of concern for getting it perfect, a long launch timetable may increase your chances of being outperformed by a competitor. The internet has created unprecedented opportunities for individuals to start their own businesses. If you have an idea, launch your website, immerse yourself in best practices, and keep in mind that learning what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. To help you save time and money on your online business journey, I recommend you to watch this video, where you'll find 6 tools to easily create a business. The link will be in the description. We work hard to create engaging content for our channel. The only thing you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell so we can get our community to grow. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video here on Guide Rev.